How to assemble the Airsled Appliance Dolly. The Airsled Appliance Dolly includes the following components. Start by firmly threading the caster wheels into position. Using a 1/2-inch wrench or socket, tighten the acorn nuts to secure the caster wheels. Insert the expander bar and use the third hole from the end to tighten with a Phillips head screwdriver. Lubricate the pipe pivot and then insert into the caster wheel assembly. Flip the base over and secure the pipe pivot with a cotter pin. Align the pipe and pipe pivot through holes and set into position. Remove one butterfly nut and pass the threaded rod through the holes and connecting rail. Tighten the caster wheel if needed and insert the pipe pivot into the pipe so the holes are aligned. Pass the rod through the holes with enough threading for the butterfly nut. Tighten the butterfly nuts to secure the connecting rail. If the connecting rail is not set firmly, the appliance dolly may be unstable. Slide the support brackets over the pipe with the black plastic knob down. Slide the tightener over the pipe in any orientation so long as both tighteners are installed identically. Insert the expander bar into the upper support beam and fasten into place with screws. Using the third hole from each end of the bar is recommended. The upper support beam can be installed in either orientation and is shown here being installed with a flush side up. Lubricating the plastic bushings prior to installation is recommended. Slide the support beam over the upward pipes. If a plastic bushing gets dislodged, simply reinsert and press back into position. Complete the assembly by inserting the upper connecting rail. The included clevis pin should be installed downward when using the appliance dolly lock bar or upward when using Airsled stack dryer shelf kit or your own plywood shelf. When assembled and all connections secure, your Airsled appliance dolly can support up to 450 pounds. Learn more at airsled.com.